In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Tableau license. Now, whether you're new to Tableau or simply refreshing your knowledge, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes. Checking your Tableau license is important to ensure that your software is up to date and that you don't run into any disruptions in your work due to an expired key. Let's dive right in and see how you can check your license on Tableau. First things first. Go ahead and launch Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Once you've got the Tableau interface open and ready to go, you're already on your way to finding the needed information. This process starts the moment Tableau is up and running, offering you a gateway to some crucial settings regarding your software's license. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar. There, you'll find the Help menu. The Help menu is your go-to resource within Tableau whenever you're looking to troubleshoot or seek guidance on various features. In this case, it's where you'll find exactly what you need to access your license details. Once you have the Help menu open, you're going to look for the option that says Manage Product Keys. Selecting this option is a pivotal step, as it will lead you directly to where your license information is stored. This section serves as your personal dashboard for managing all the licensing aspects of your Tableau software. Upon clicking Manage Product Keys, you will be directed to a window that displays all your activated product keys. This is a comprehensive list showing you each key that is currently active on your device. Alongside each key, you will be able to see the corresponding expiration dates. This feature is particularly useful for preventing any unexpected interruptions by allowing you to ensure that you renew or update your license ahead of time. If you notice that a key's expiration date is approaching, or if it's already expired, now would be a good time to consider renewing your license to maintain access to all the features Tableau has to offer. Keeping your license active not only prevents loss of access, but also ensures you receive the latest updates and improvements offered by Tableau. By following these steps and keeping an eye on your activated keys and their expiration dates, you can seamlessly manage your Tableau licenses. It is a simple but crucial task that ensures your workflow is uninterrupted and that you stay ahead of any potential licensing issues. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to check your Tableau license quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay updated with more tips and tricks to enhance your Tableau experience.